Mrs. Cavazos with the HB Zachary Orchestra doing a quick tutorial on Dance of the Reed Pipes for viola. So Caitlin has let me adopt her viola for a little bit. So that you can see all the tapes on here, I'm going to go measure by measure on this version, this arrangement of Dance of the Pipe Reeds, of the reed pipes. And let's get started with measure 1. So you have your F sharp right here. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So your music might have da 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 da. You're just going to go G, D, D. One finger on measure 3. If you notice, if you have perfect playing position, you can play your G at the same, or your A string at the same time as your fingers are on the G, so you're not having to like lift up and put your fingers down at the same time. And go up and down. Okay, so next measure, you have G, D, F sharp, that's our class bell, and then G, 2, rest, F sharp, half note, half note, half note, half note. Goes back to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here at measure 14, you have a B half note. Then it goes to a G sharp. So if you have all those colored tapes, it's going to be a third finger up here. So it's going to go B, G sharp is a higher third finger. And then it says A. Instead of doing open A, since your third finger's up here, might as well just stick your pinky right down next to it. And so that way you have an A here. So it's going to go at measure 14, B, G sharp, A, G sharp. You could do an open A after the rest, and then you have another rest, then a B, and then an open A. So when you get to 17, you have all of your eighth notes kicking in. And you have a bajillion times. I'm sorry, no. At 17, you have B, and then A. So you're going B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. And then 18, you have the same thing. B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. What do you know? 19 is the same thing. B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. What do you know? 20 is the exact same thing. So it's 21. So is the first part of 22. B, A, B, A, B, A, B. C sharp is that high third finger. And then you have the part that looks kind of like a scale, but it's like a chromatic kind of like a scale. So at measure 23, you have A, B, C, C sharp. I recommend you do that with your fourth finger because you're going to have to go down to the A again. And instead of having to slide back and forth, you're just going to go A, B, C, C sharp. A, B, C, C sharp. This time around, you're going to have B, C, D, you're going to have A, B, C, C sharp again, and then you're going back down. A, G, then you have F sharp, E. So if you have those white tapes, F sharp, E. If you want to life hack it, you can go back to F sharp, E, or you can rest there. You go back to the beginning, you play measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you go on to 25. 25, you have your G, D, D, C sharp, that beautiful third finger again, A, open D. So hopefully that helps going measure by measure and putting down the fingers exactly where they need to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, and hopefully this helps you out. Y'all have a good one.